we gotta take a train, an auto train. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna be the first time ever for us to do that. My wife is exciting. Yes, she is.
Ja.
Er der ikke sådan en indstiknings?
Is it your
Der
first
de
time
stikker et eller
too?
andet ind i.
Is it?
What mag vi her?
Yeah, yeah.
Ja, let's go.
Show them
Run.
Marcel's.
Today.
Call this giveaways?
Ang giveaway. Amaw day mo. Tuuna sila day. No, it's not a giveaway.
It's also paid with a ticket going to Germany, going
It's-
to Sylt.
It's like a guide, no?
Yeah, a lot of things here. We have
Do we got some chips?
we have this
What is that?
Ja, det er en
this?
oplukker.
a digital Nesnes
Original.
Cabrio jacket, a lot of reclamation.
Oh.
All this garbage they're giving us. This is exciting.
What's that like?
90% polyester. 90%.
Nabuang.
This is exciting.
I think you're full of sugar.
Sugar.
First time namin guys, parang isasakay ata itong sasakyan namin sa train.
Service manager.
First time namin siya ma-experience.
Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna take an auto train. It's the first time for everybody, but it's really exciting. Hold kæft. What a bit I please see.
Ooh.
It is exciting. It's like being on a roller coaster in your car. Apparently, this is the way you do it in Germany. Woohoo!
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind.
Det er altid spændende.
Your husband is really excited here.
Yeah.
I'm so excited I just can't
It
hold
has
it.
been his first time.
Sitting in a car on a train with other cars. A car train. Der Autozug. This is weird.
You don't have this in Denmark now?
We do have it. Copenhagen to going to Spain, I think. Weird, weird, weird.
First experience.
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. The light bulb inside my head says, get out and play. Cause you never feel this way. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky
I don't know. See?
Parkgebyr. Når du skal parkere i ikke toilettet, hvad skal du?
What you doing, Isel? What did you do?
Shut up.
So nasa ano na kami guys, nasa Germany na kami at anong lugar ba to eh? Sylt. Basta andito, yung magaganda talaga yung mga houses dito guys. Parang andito yung mga well-off. O yung mga rich people andito. Pero obviously, nasa ano kami sa parang parking area dito ba? Yung mga shop andoon.
As in,
So for now, dito muna kami. Tapos may maliit na bahay dito. Maliit na bahay. At saka sabi dito pag mag-park daw, you will have to pay €250. Successful.
very.
So yon, at last after I think 3 hours of travel, 4 hours,
Wait,
nandito na kami. Wow, those are beautiful, beautiful houses. As in, it's so nice. It's so art. Yeah.
Because they have so much money, those German guys.
Wow. Yung houses na sa
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. The light
yeah.
So much difference up there.
It's so beautiful.
Hire the
Lobster, fishing house.
Beautiful.
So you gotta go to that fair.
Ang ganda dito guys, may Ferris wheel pa dyan There, may Ferris wheel. Pero, we're not gonna ride in that one. We're not in the mood. We're just gonna walk inside that, I think, shopping center. And it's Sunday today, so most of the shops are closed. Pero maganda pa rin naman. Yung mga view. Lakad-lakad muna kami. Sa ano pala kami guys, nasa Germany kami ngayon, nasa sa anong basa niyan? Sylt, S-Y-L-T. Susama ko si husband, ako of course, tapos yung friend namin isang Pinay din si Hazel, tapos yung husband niya. There's so much to see in here. Pakita ko sa inyo maya. So nice. Fish market, Morton's favorite.
It's gonna have a minimum of 6%.
Hazel. Did come here. It's so big, oh. Langoustine. Couldn't you make something like this?
Gotta
in
look like this,
Morocco?
minimum like this.
Yeah, this. It's so like nicely put also, right? See that? Oh. So much work.
Hello, welcome to my channel. We are now in Germany, island called Sylt. In Danish it's called Sylt. And I brought my wife here, and she's here. She's eating something I will never put in my mouth.
They're so good.
I don't believe so. I'm not into fish. I hate that. We also got the friend, Karma's friend. Oh, she's here. She got the mouth full of something fresh, apparently. Is it yummy? Mm-hmm. It's yummy. Oh, what else does she got in the bag? Oh my God, a lot of things. Anyway, this is just a fast update for me because my wife said I have to do something for her. So I do that always. That's it. Ciao, bambinos.
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a special thing in store. The light bulb inside my head.
You like this place,
You
though?
have problem with internet
Yeah.
here?
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. The light bulb inside my head.
So guys, tapos na kaming kumain. And then now, lakad-lakad muna kami. And then a bit later, sasakay ng ferry para bumalik ng Denmark. Ang ganda ng view, guys. Super. Tapos yung kinainan namin, ang sarap din kasi may rice. Alam niyo na, pag may rice, perfect. Tapos isda. Yes. Sunday dito, so there's not so much people. Ang ganda dito, guys, oy. Like, parang pang mayaman yung lugar na iba. Should be Fistino. Nasa ferry na kami.
Oh, make a fast video. It's just fast, so fast. I'm done. That's a fast video. Fast, fast. Woo! Fast.
Oh my god. It's just so nice to be here again, no? To be here again. Paano na kami, guys? Uwi na kaming Denmark. And, anong oras na ba? What time is it now?
9:20.
Oh, mga 9:21 na at kami lang ata yung tao dito. So, while waiting na mag-move siya, upo-upo muna kami dito. At least comfortable at nasa loob kami so it's not so cold. Kasi outside it's really cold kasi nasa dagat, diba? So yun, we've enjoyed our day. It's been a long day but sobrang saya kasi madami kami na experience ng mga first time.
Der Kapitän und die Besatzung wünschen Ihnen eine tolle Zeit an Bord.
Yung eyes ko, eh. Do you have something to clean my eyeglass?
Kære gæster, morgen og hjertelig velkommen ombord på vores Sylt Express.
So guys,
Vores tur gennem Middelhavet, der ligger på UNESCO's
I had 4 days day off. Day off. Free from work, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So I had 4 days na day off ako. And Sunday ngayon, so I got 2 days more. And I'm so happy kasi nga we're able to do these things. And napunta kami ni Yulan, which is like 3-4 hours from where we live. And then, parang nasa borderline lang siya ng Germany. So, kaya nakapunta kami ng Germany and we went to 2 different cities in Germany. And first time ko magpunta sa Sylt. I don't even know how to pronounce Sylt. S-Y-L-T. First time ko magpunta doon. And it's really, really nice. Sobrang ganda. Kasi yung parang yung mga mayaman na tao doon ang pupunta kasi yung mga bahay, ang gaganda. Tapos yung view. First time ko magpunta doon and we eat in a really nice restaurant. So na-enjoy ko siya. So yun. So it's been a very productive day actually. Tapos nung Friday, nung Friday, nag-off ako ng 4 in the afternoon. Tapos kinuha ako ni Martin just pick me up there. Tapos after doon, nag-drive na kami towards Yulan. And then, yeah, napahinga lang. And then the next day, that was Saturday, obviously. And then nagpunta kaming Germany and nag-shop kami sa parang border shop nila doon. Did you enjoy your day, Bob?
Yeah, I did.
How about the food?
Liebe Gäste, wir
Like it.
befinden uns weiter
How about the shopping?
deutschen Fahrwasser.
The what?
Shopping.
Erhalten Sie in unserem Travel
You shopped today, man?
Yesterday.
Und Souvenirs
In the
Yes.
border shop.
Okay.
und Süßigkeiten.
Kære gæster, det er nu i tysk fart.
welcome to my channel. She has been begging me to say something on the vlog because she's lost her words. What she tried to say is it's been a very, very compact holiday for this weekend. We've been riding a train with a car. We've been riding a boat as in a ferry. We've been riding a big bridge. Oh, what a holiday. What a road trip. What a life. Woo, yeah. That's it.